Today, I challenged myself to spray clear coat on my car like a pro, and I want to take you along for the ride. With my spray gun in hand and the surface fully prepped, washed, sanded with 800 to 1500 grit, and wiped clean, I set up in a dust-free, well-ventilated area, ready to see if I could get that flawless, glass-like finish. I started with a light tack coat, keeping the gun 6 to 8 inches from the panel, moving steadily with about 50% overlap. After letting that flash off, I followed with 2 medium wet coats, each one bringing out more shine and depth in the paint. The trick is to stay patient. Don't rush it, don't overload the gun, and always keep moving to avoid runs or orange peel. As the final coat settled, I stepped back and saw that deep gloss come alive. My paint looked fresh, rich, and wet. That's the moment it hit me. With the right prep, steady technique, and a bit of patience, anyone can get that professional finish right at home. If I can do it, so can you. This is the clear coat I'm using, but feel free to use any brand you trust, as long as it gives you that perfect, glossy finish. Now let's go ahead and mix it. Want to know the right mixing ratio? Check the comments. I've got it all laid out for you there. When it comes to spraying clear coat, how you hold and move your spray gun can make or break your finish. You want to keep the gun about 6 to 8 inches away from the surface. Too close and you'll get runs. Too far and it'll go on dry and rough. The key is to hold it straight and level to the panel, not at an angle, and move it in a smooth, steady, side-to-side motion, overlapping each pass by about 50%. Always keep the gun moving before you pull the trigger and don't stop mid-pass. This avoids heavy spots and ensures an even, glossy finish. Think of it like ironing a shirt. Consistent speed, even distance, and never double back in one spot. If you keep your wrist locked and move your whole arm, you'll maintain that perfect spray pattern across the panel. Once you get in that rhythm, it feels almost like painting with light. You'll actually see the clear coat lay down wet and smooth. And that's when you know you're doing it right.